Let's explore the sum function in Excel, the most essential function for adding numbers. The slide provides a visual representation of how the sum function operates within an Excel sheet. Notice how a range of cells from A1 to E1 are summed to produce a result. Similarly, there are other examples that demonstrate the function's capability. The function is simple, powerful, and essential. Now let's learn the basic syntax of the sum function. The formula is written as equals sum, followed by numbers, cell references, or ranges separated by commas within parentheses. For example, the formula equals sum 10, 20, 30 adds the numbers 10, 20, and 30 directly. Alternatively, equals sum A1, B1, C1 adds the values found in cells A1, B1, and C1. Let us explore how to add ranges of cells using the sum function in Microsoft Excel. You can specify a range of cells to sum by using the colon operator. For example, equals sum A1 colon A10 will sum all the values in column A from row 1 to row 10. Similarly, equals sum A1 colon E1 will sum all values in row 1 from column A to column E. And equals sum A1 colon C3 will sum a rectangular range of cells from A1 to C3. Now we will see how to sum entire rows and columns in Excel. To sum an entire column, you can use the formula equals sum, open parenthesis, the column letter, colon, and then the same column letter, close parenthesis. For example, equals sum C colon C sums all values in column C. Likewise, to sum an entire row, use equals sum, open parenthesis, the row number, colon, and the same row number, close parenthesis. For example, equals sum 2 colon 2 sums all values in row 2. We can also sum non-adjacent cells using the sum function. To sum individual cells, simply list them separated by commas within the function. For example, equals sum A1 C3 E5 sums the values in cells A1, C3, and E5. You can also combine ranges with commas to sum multiple ranges at once. For instance, equals sum A1 colon B2, D4 colon E5 sums the values in the range A1 to B2, as well as the range D4 to E5. Excel's AutoSum feature provides a quick way to add up numbers. First, select the cell below or beside your data where you want the sum to appear. Then, click the AutoSum button in the Home tab. Excel automatically detects the adjacent range of cells and enters the sum formula for you. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus equals sign to achieve the same result. Now let us explore some common errors and helpful tips for using the sum function. A common error is hashtag value, which occurs when text is mixed with numbers in the range you are trying to sum. Another error is hashtag ref, which appears when the reference cells have been deleted. A third common error is hashtag name, which indicates a typo in the function name. Here are a few pro tips. The sum function automatically ignores empty cells and text. Use Ctrl plus click to easily select non-adjacent ranges. Double-click the cell border to auto-expand the formula down a column. Lastly, check for hidden rows or columns that might affect the results. In summary, let's recap the key points of the sum function in Excel. The sum function is the most essential Excel function for performing basic addition. The formula is equals sum A1 B1 C1. You can also use it for range addition with the formula equals sum A1 colon C10. Furthermore, the sum function can sum entire columns using the formula equals sum B colon B, as well as non-adjacent cells with the formula equals sum A1 C3 E5. Remember that AutoSum saves time, and the sum function ignores text automatically. Master the sum function and you'll master Excel. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.